The Raj Nonglyngdoh under the Ilaka Nongpo Sirdarship in Riboy district today organized the traditional cultural dance known as Shad Sajer at a sacred forest located in Maujong. This marks the 17th time that the Raj Nonglyngdoh has ascended to the sacred forest to perform this age-old traditional dance, which is deeply rooted in the cultural practices passed down by the forefathers. The event was vibrantly adorned with various traditional dances, folk songs and instrumental music, all aimed at reminding the younger generation of the importance of understanding and embracing their indigenous roots.
Yang ka culture kadang kalau kum ka brand kariti sensar lale kariti ka dustur kadai katak kabashisha kaba beni ya ka jinglong serai ka jong ukasi.